Hello participant, welcome to you. How are you? At the mercy of Allah, you are well. Okay, let's start our session. Our session is object. At first, we see the definition of object. If we ask a question to the verb with on or what, we get the answer. He plays cricket. His subject plays verb, cricket object. Question. He plays. সে খেলে কি খেলে answer is cricket. So cricket is object here. There are some classifications and examples of object. At first we see direct and indirect object. Direct object indicate a thing and indirect object indicate person. He gave me a book. There are two objects here. It is direct object, that is it indicates thing, and me indirect object, it indicates person. That is বস্তুবাচক ডাইরেক্ট অবজেক্ট এবং ব্যক্তিবাচক ইনডাইরেক্ট অবজেক্ট। ক্লিয়ার? নেক্সট অ্যাডভার্ব অবজেক্ট। অ্যাডভার্ব অবজেক্ট indicate adverb. Here home is adverb, so home is adverb object. Next example, 3 hours. He read 3 hours and 3 hours adverb, so it is adverb object. Next, written object. He teaches us English. We see there are two objects, us and English. When we see the passive voice, we take a object. Here is object, but here is subject, and other object English. Here object is also object. In an active voice it is object. In a passive voice it is also object. No change here. That is why written object English. Okay, next cognate object. He ran a race. He slept a sound sleep. Cognate object indicate several, that is verb and object original point is same. So race and sound sleep cognate object, that is সমধাতুজ কর্ম। cognate object বাংলায় হচ্ছে সমধাতুজ কর্ম। ওকে, নেক্সট reflexive object. It indicates self or selves. After reflexive pronoun we add self. So himself, here it is reflexive object. Here itself, it is also reflexive object. That is আত্মবাচক. Next, factitive object. We made him king. After object we use king. That is factitive object indicates a rank. We made him, আমরা তাকে বানালাম, কি বানালাম? রাজা বানালাম। So it is a rank, রাজা পদবী, rank. So here is factitive object. Next and last one, dative of interest, that is ব্যক্তির স্বার্থ বোঝায়। bring me a shirt, আমার জন্য একটা জামা আনো। Here a shirt is dative of interest because it indicates personal interest. These are the examples and classifications of object. Okay, this is your home task. You will practice at home. Thank you all.